Welcome. Today we are going to learn about oncogenes. To start off, what are oncogenes? They occur through mutation of proto-oncogenes. Proto-oncogenes assist with proliferation, survival, and motility of a cell. An oncogene acts similarly to a proto-oncogene. However, due to mutations, its functions never turn off. Think of proto-oncogenes as a superhero. They are there to protect the city and come to assistance when needed. However, if mutated, they become villains, using their powers to disrupt the city and cause destruction constantly. Like villains disrupting the city, these oncogenes disrupt the normal cell cycle, causing increased cell division and inability for the cell to die. These mutations can be inherited or caused by exposure to substances in the environment. Now, what is the history of oncogenes? Robert Weinberg got credited for discovering the first human oncogene in a human bladder cancer cell line. The molecular nature of the mutations that cause oncogenesis was subsequently isolated and characterized by Spanish biochemist Mariano Barbacid. Let's quickly review what proto-oncogenes are again. They are normal genes within our body. They drive cells through the cell cycle and encode proteins, stimulating cell division and growth. Now, how do proto-oncogenes become oncogenes? Well, oncogenes start out as proto-oncogenes. Because oncogenes are dominant genes, they only need one allele to be mutated. Think about a pair of shoes. We need both the right and the left shoe to be able to use them. But once one rips and is of no use, the shoes won't be able to be used anymore. Just like when one allele is mutated, the normal function of a cell may be lost. This means that only one mutated gene must be inherited from our parents. When proto-oncogenes are mutated, either through gain of function, chromosomal rearrangement, or gene amplification, these cells turn into oncogenes. Oncogenes typically go for proteins of signaling pathways that activate cell proliferation. They produce growth factors, receptor proteins, and transcription factors. The epidermal growth factor receptor and KRAS are important in cancer as they work overtime, relaying too many signals through the cell, which promotes uncontrollable growth. Think of these proteins as a valve that controls airflow into a balloon. Since they're always on, the valve always stays open, continuously pumping air into the balloon, to a point where it will eventually burst and the function is lost. Oncogenes do not burst, however, and instead may cause constant buildup of abnormal cells aiding in the formation of tumors. Another way to think of this process can be done using a car. For a car to work properly, there needs to always be a way to control how fast it goes. A normal functioning proto-oncogene acts as the gas pedal and controls the speed of the car, increasing and slowing down when needed. Just like in a cell, the proto-oncogene helps the cell grow and divide. An oncogene could be compared to a gas pedal that is stuck down, which causes extreme acceleration with no control, just like when cells grow and divide uncontrollably. It's important to note that both inactivation of tumor suppressor genes and activation of oncogenes are required for malignant transformation in normal cells. Although oncogenes play a role in the formation of cancer, they cannot cause cancer by themselves. Thanks for watching.